Now see here the exercise 2.3, and at the first question, determine whether the sum to infinity of the following GPAs exists. Find them. Here the first question, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 6. All of you know the sum of infinite terms of geometric progression is exist only when mod r is less than 1, and then to get Sn approaches to Sn is equal to a upon 1 minus r. In that a is our first term and r is our common ratio. So observe the given series. Here 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 6. Now the first term of this sequence is, what is the first term of this sequence? A. A is equal to 1 by 2. Now second to find its r. That means second term upon first term. So common ratio r is equal to second term divide first term, that is Tn plus formula Tn plus 1 upon Tn, that means T2 upon T1. Okay, so after substituting n is equal to 1, so T2 is a 1 by 4 and T1 is a 1 by 2. After substituting the value here, 1 by 4 whole divided by value of T1 is the 1 by 2. After solving this, value goes on numerator to get multiply. That means 1 by 4 into 2 by 1. So to get 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That means to get the common ratio of this geometric progression is equal to 1 by 2. And it is a constant for all T3 by T2, T4 by T3 up to so on. Then to find sum of infinite terms of the geometric progression, it exists only when mod r is less than 1. So check it here, mod r. So value of r is the 1 by 2. So take inside the mod to get 1 by 2. Obviously the value of 1 by 2 mod is less than 1. So the sum of infinite terms of the geometric progression is exist when substitute here formula Sn is equal to a upon 1 minus r. So put these values in this formula to get value of a is 1 by 2 upon 1 minus value of r is also 1 by 2. Here denominator is not equal, so using cross multiplication and find out to get 2 into 1 is 2, minus 1 into 1 is 1 upon 2. So to get 1 by 2 upon 1 by 2. After goes this value on a numerator to get the reciprocal and multiply. That means 1 by 2 into 2 by 1. So 2 get cancelled, 1 is also cancelled. So sum of this sequence of the given sequence is the 1. The second example is minus 3, 1, minus 1 by 3, 1 by. Now same as here to find the sum of this given geometric progression. In fact, sum of the given geometric progression. Here the first term of the sequence is a minus 3. To find common ratio, r is equal to second term divide first term. That means to get minus 1 upon 3. Sum of the given geometric progression, sum of infinite terms of geometric progression is exist only when mod r is less than 1. So observe here, the value of r is a minus 1 by 3. Obviously the value of mod minus 1 by 3 is also positive, because mod कैसा भी हो, नेगेटिव में हो पॉजिटिव में हो, उसकी वैल्यू हमेशा नेगेटिव की वैल्यू भी पॉजिटिव में मिलती है, मतलब 1 by 3 obviously less than 1. So hence Sn approaches is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Substitute here the value of a is a minus 3 upon 1 minus r is a minus, minus become a plus, because already minus sign of the given r, and formula is also 1 minus r. So this minus minus become a plus. So after solving this to get Sn is equal to minus 3 upon 3 into 1 is a 3 plus 1 upon 3. So to get Sn is equal to minus 3 upon 4 by 3. That means to get Sn is equal to this 3 goes to, sorry, this whole term goes on numerator to get multiply, that is minus 3 multiplied by 3 by 4 to get sum of this given sequence is minus 9 by 4. I hope all of you understand how to find the sum of the given infinite terms of the geometric progression. Now see here the second example of exercise 3.2 is express the following recurring decimal as a rational number. ये जो recurring decimal दिया हुआ है इसको आपको rational number के फॉर्म में राइट करना है, यानी कि point in the form of t upon q. See here the first example 0.7. This is your recurring decimal. So this 0.7 bar can be written as 0.7 plus 0.07 plus 0.007 up to so on. These terms form the geometric progression. These terms form the geometric progression. In that the first term is 0.7, and to find the common ratio r is equal to second term divided by first term, that is t2 divided by t1. So to get 0.07 upon 0.7, that means to get the r is equal to 0.1, and this 0.1 can be written as 1 upon 10. That means to get the common ratio of this geometric progression is the 1 by 10. So the sum of this geometric progression, infinite terms of the geometric progression, exists only when mod r is a less than 1. So after substituting the value of mod r is 1 by 10, obviously this 1 by 10 is a less than 1, and hence Sn approaches to Sn is equal to a upon 1 minus r. So substitute here the value of a, yani first term, this is 0.7 upon 1 minus r, value is the 1 by 10. So after solving this to get 0.7 upon, here denominator is not equal, so using cross multiplication and find out 10 into 1 is a 10 minus 1, so to get 9 by 10, okay, 9 by 10. So 0.7 multiplied by 10 upon 9, that means to get 7 upon 9. So the rational number of 0.7 is 0.7 bar is equal to 7 upon 9. Now here the next example of exercise 2.3 is if the common ratio of geometric progression is 2 by 3. Here the given common ratio of geometric progression, that is the value of r. And second, sum to infinity is 12. That is the sum of geometric infinite terms is 12. To find the first term, that means to find the value of a. So here a is the first term of geometric progression, r is the common ratio, and Sn is a sum of infinite terms of geometric progression. So to find here first term, that is value of a. Also given here r is equal to common ratio is a 2 by 3, and sum of that is the value of Sn is equal to 12. So using the formula, Sn is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Substitute here the all values. Sn is the 12. 12 is equal to first term you have to calculate, so as it is 1 minus value of r is 2 by 3. So 12 is equal to, get a divided by 3 into 1 is a 3 minus 2 upon 3. That means to get 12 is equal to a upon 3 minus 2 is a 1 by 3. This whole term goes on a numerator to get the reciprocal of this, and to get 12 is equal to 3 times a. To find the first term, so this 3 is a multiply, goes to the side to get divide, that means 12 divided by 3. So to get the solution of a is equal to 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 12. Therefore the value of a is equal to 4. So here the solution, the first term of the geometric progression is a 4. Now the next example is if the first term of geometric progression is a 16 and its sum to infinity is 96 upon 70, to find common ratio. That means to find the value of r. Here in the given example, first term is 16. Sum to infinite terms of geometric progression is 96 upon 70. To find the value of r. So using the formula, Sn is equal to a upon 1 minus r. Substitute all the values. Sum is given 96 upon 70 is equal to first term is 60 upon 1 minus R. So after solving this to get 96 upon 17 into 1 minus R is equal to 60. So this term is a multiply, goes to the side to get divide. That means 1 minus R is equal to 16 upon multiply, goes to the side to get divide, that is 96 upon 17. So after solving this to get, this value goes on numerator to get the reciprocal. That means 16 into 17 upon 96. So multiplication of these two numbers, 16 into 70 upon 96 is. So here to get 16 ones are 16, 16 6 are 96. That means to remain 1 minus R is equal to 17 upon 6. So this 1 goes to the side to get negative. That means minus R is equal to 17 upon 6 minus 1. Here denominator is not. So after cross multiplication to get minus R is equal to 17 minus 6 into 1 is 6 upon 6. So after calculating this to get 70 minus 6 is 11 upon 6 to find the value of R. So it goes to minus sign of the next term. That means minus 11 upon 6. So common ratio of the given is minus 11 upon 6.